Hello YouTube, this is my old order. I bought Behringer. This is very low price, $28. Today there is here, and today I have a job, but I have not power cord. I have a small transformer to output 70.5 voltage, double voltage. This voltage must this Behringer Xenyx mixer, and let's go. Now I remove all detail cover and I check this motherboard. I think this transformer will be my power cord. This pin is 0 voltage. It plug AC power, and this is 0. This is 70.5 voltage connector, and this is 70.5 connector pin, and this is 0. Okay, and I am searching connector which one is 0 voltage and 70.5, and I searching which connector is this pin. This is 0 connector. Okay, this is ground 0, this is also, and this is also. This is line together, and this. Okay, I think this is 70.5 and this is 70.5, but I check. Okay, okay, this is diodes for inverter voltage AC to DC. Here is, okay, I need this and this, but I have not same plug, and I remove and remake another plug. Okay, this is 0 voltage, this ground 0 voltage, and this is 70.5 and this is 70.5. And now we can check this transformer. Okay, this transformer is another voltage. Here is no 70.5 voltage. There is a low voltage, and it's not used. I take transformer. This is old TV transformer. I will testing now. Here is output, and this is input pin. 7 and 18.7. I think this transformer is good for port. Factory port voltage is 70.5 voltage, but my transformer has 0.5 voltage, more high. Plug in. Okay. Power on. I need amplifier and speaker, and I will testing this board. Okay, this is my amplifier and speaker. This is main out. This is main out. This is oh yes, this is good condition. Plug in my computer. And I play music. This is trap. This is pain, but here is no sound because this is one channel, right channel, and this is left, and this is right. Absolutely working. This channel, this channel, this channel, this channel, everything is good condition. This is power adapter box. This is output. This is 22 voltage input side, and this is outside. Okay, Behringer mixer is here. This is connected. Everything is connected. This is my speaker, and now let's start checking.